Boys and girls, it's time. Let's start to fix the sim rig car. Alright, plan for today is get as much as possible off it. Try and fix the damage. And yeah, strip the bits off left, right and center that we don't need because it's no longer a car. Wiring wise, I'm probably leaving some of it here because I want the lights functioning, things like that. So yeah, then I have to figure out about that one because we still want to steer it. But the main idea of get as many bits off, get this thing moving.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered.
So far, so good. I mean, damage wise, all that looks straight. There's nothing kinked, nothing like that. Even this looks like it's supposed to be, because I mean on the other side it's literally like it. Up front there's nothing here. This piece is nearly ready to come off. Only bad thing on 86s is obviously 1, 2, 3 bolts there, so 2 from the side here, 1 from the bottom. But then they decided, oh, we're gonna weld these. So this piece here, that's welded on, and I think the best bet is to actually drill them out and I'll make them boltable, because for me it doesn't matter if it comes off or not. So I'm not going to be welding it back up again, no way, because there's a good chance this car shell or whatever you call it, it's never going to make it back on the road. It's not even a good chance, it's definitely is. I mean, best case scenario, this gets turned into a drift car at some point. We'll see about that. As for damages, I mean that's probably still usable. That doesn't look bad. Wing is toast. Radiator actually holds water, even though it looks like a banana. And from the back, fans are gone. I mean, fans themselves can be reused, but other than that, rest is spinnable. Right, let's drill the side off, and I've got another one here. I'm going to do the same there. Go from there. Okie doke, so we got holes halfway through there. Make sure your drills are nice, because these do a crap, even though they look alright, but they're not. And next thing, prime off. Top should come off that way. Just break it off and get on to the next one. Easy.
A crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of.
The bottom one's looking nice. This one I probably need to drill all the way through. This is rather flimsy. As you can see, I think I just, yep. That's bent like that. Alright, time to go and get the second one off. I happen to have a little corner of one just there. Go figure. Mind you, it doesn't look absolutely awesome. I think somebody's repaired this one before. I mean, for what we need it for, should be alright for now. Yeah, this one's actually worse than I thought it is. Somebody's definitely repaired it before. Well, I'll have a look at that one I'll figure out if I'm using that or not. For now, I'm gonna go and clean this one up. And that's a fairly easy damage fix because damage is essentially minimal on this. The rest will be just stripping it down, preparing it for all the fun stuff. Well, change of plans. And for those of you who haven't seen the garage setup, it's going nicely. Still haven't got any tables or work flipping tool areas and stuff like that, but lights are good. Our friends from Epic Car Events got us something nice, and we got nice flags. Obviously Japanese flag is here, and I made a wall with our previous events and memorabilia, things like that. So yeah, and that's what changed the plans. Excuse the mess. Yeah, let's use this one. This one looks way nicer. So I'm just gonna drill it out, unbolt it, then use this side. I mean, at the end of the day, we want that look. Yeah, I screwed that one up, didn't I? We want that one, that car over there, looking fairly presentable. I've drilled some slightly oversized holes in that one, but I should make it for easy removal. So now let's unbolt all this, go from there. Put you guys on a stand, and let's see if I can. Nope. One of them is loose, other one isn't. And the drill just died, of course. Alright, a bit more fettling required on this one, and I'll get back to you guys on the process. But yeah, pretty much off. It's a bonus. Oh, how wrong was I? I just drilled the wrong hole. I drilled that one, so I thought, oh yeah, loads of room and everything, but I need to drill that one. Peachy. Start again. Right, the bed is off. This one, yeah, looks a bit worse for wear, but it doesn't matter in the long run. Now, time to bolt it back up and call it fixed.
Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at.
Alright, boys and gals, fixed is fixed. Now this thing's straight, so I'm happy with that one. And right on time, because it is starting to rain. So next bits I'm gonna do is clear out whatever I don't think I need from inside here, like little brackets, all these bits and bobs, take everything out, and wiring, all the lines, everything, all these are going. So basically tedious job of getting everything out. So I'm gonna crack on with that, and I'm gonna get back to you guys when I've done a bit. Well, that escalated quickly. Fuel line's gone, brake line's gone, fuel tank is out, just there. So next bit, I'm getting inside the car. I need the pedals out, and then probably get a dash out. And let's see, that's the AC in the background. So yeah, might film a bit of a pedal action, but that's about it. Right, I moved it. Next thing's next is getting this out. It's rather windy in here. This is quite easy because you got these there. Then if you remove stuff, you got 10mm there. You got another little one there hiding away. And bit by bit, it's fairly easy removal. Alright, the lower part of the dash is out. That's probably one of the trickier ones, but everything is on Phillips screws, so it's have to go one by one. Undo this one here. Make sure you take your OBD port cable off. That's about it. And then now just up for this. Most of it is already, as you can see, off and moving. Haven't done that side, but it shouldn't take me long. That's the dash out. Nice and easy on these. Couple wires here and there need to be looked after. I mean, one there, it goes over the heating tunnel, so if you want to keep that, you have to be careful. Then this one here for your sensor, light sensor, needs to be unplugged, and obviously 2 screws there for airbag. Right, let's get all the wiring out of here. I'm going to try and route it down so I can feed it out this way, feed it out that way through the firewall, and that should be it for today. So I think it's game time. I've disconnected everything there, took everything off. So now, technically speaking, all this, well, not that one, probably would do it, but without the camera. And this thing should come off. Should, except the wiring's in the way. Ta-da! Magic! Now, wiring. Alright, put this on time lapse, get wiring out. That's me done for this one.
I'm ready to
Alright, so wiring's out. Main goal of today is a success. Great success. Next thing, clean it all up, shave bits and bobs out of here, bin all the rubbish, that sort of thing, and yeah, get it prepped for whatever's coming in here next. And I do like some of these holes, but we'll see. Maybe plug them, maybe fill them up with something else. No idea yet. Right, that's part 2 of our sim86 build. Next up, I haven't figured out yet. Probably body kit fitment, cut and rear end, and starting to figure out where goes what. Right, if you like this sort of content, like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao.